here to understand our stock market visualization. Currently in this project, we have created three main files. First of the main file is React.js. So first React.js file is responsible for gathering information from the user. After gathering the information from a user, the React.js can send that information to our server.js. Server.js files have a server that's running on our local 5000, and it gathers the information like the token that we want to select. Considering that currently you can see this is our front end, and we can select the specific stock that we want to analyze or get chart data for. And this token is sent to server.js. Server.js has a post API, that self-generated API that we have. The post API gets the token and then runs a Python script. We have a Python script named ml.py. Currently, we haven't implemented the ML application, but we are gathering the information from the API sources of the open source API sources that we have. After gathering the data, we analyze that data, and after that data is properly analyzed and formatted in proper sequence, we send it back to the server.js. After server.js gets the data, it's again sent to React.js and it is then handled here. You can see that here currently we don't have anything. But if we select a chart, suppose let's say Tesla token is now selected. After clicking on a get data, what happens is that Tesla token is sent to a server. Server sends it to the Python script. Either the Python script gets the data from the open source APIs. The data is sent to server, and the server data is sent to the front end. And we can analyze this data for our customer users. So as you can see, currently we have a data for about 30 days from 9th of July, 6th of August here. So now this data is for Tesla company stocks. You can see the stock prices open, high, close, and low. Furthermore, we have added a Looker Studio overview for this. As you can see, using a service account, we get all that data. This is data for Tesla. So the data for Tesla is then stored in this Google Sheet using a service account that we created on our Google profile. As you can see, we have created this service account for our process. The service account is then provided the access of editor in this file. So the service account can edit anything that we want in this file. And then we have Looker Studio report created for this. Okay. So we just refresh the data. Okay. This is the data for Tesla. We have gathered from our feeds, and just then report is created on our Looker Studio. So currently this is the overall project that we have created in our final section.